Hi, Mina. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good. You want to tell everyone your name, your full name?
Yes, my name is Mina C. I'm from Serbia. My agency is Women.
And where in Serbia are you from?
I'm from Niš, which is south of Serbia. It's like 2 hours from the capital city.
And let me ask you, are there a lot of Serbian models?
Well, it's not a lot, but there is few. It's Georgina, Olja, Ana. There is...
Which Ana? There's a lot of Anas.
Ana Mihajlovic.
Okay.
Olja, Georgina. Yeah.
That's good. So this is your second time, right, doing Anna? Or?
Yes, it's the second time. I did it the last season.
Oh, that's great.
It's one of my most favorite shows.
Oh, great. And you know, so many of the models love wearing Anna, you know, her Anna's clothes. So tell me why
Because it's amazing. Because it's so, it's full of character in the clothes, and you just feel good. It's like you just can put that piece, and you don't need like some expensive shoes or a bag like to have with just that clothes. Goes with anything, which is great.
Do you have a favorite piece?
I do. I have this coat.
Ah,
That's Anna.
great. That's beautiful.
And I got the last season. I got this amazing shirt that I love it. It has like a long sleeves with like a bell sleeves. It's so cute.
What color?
It's like red, kind of purple, beige. It's great.
And you're going obviously to Milan. Are you going to London at all, or?
No, I'm not. I'm going to Milan on Saturday.
So you get no rest.
No, but it's good. I mean, I'm full of energy.
And when do you get to go back to Serbia? How often? When are you planning
Well,
to?
because usually when I'm in Europe, because it's so close for me, it's like with the plane 2 hours. So usually if I have like a break, like a couple of days, I go. So I think after Paris, I'm gonna go for a week, see my family, see my friends, my boyfriend.
Do you want to say some words in Serbian?
Yeah, what would you like me to say?
I don't know. What do you want to say hi to your family and friends and boyfriend?
Ćao svima, pozdrav za moj Niš, ljubim sve.
So Mina, you just told us it's your birthday today.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
What a great way to celebrate your birthday today.
Well, I'm taking all my friends out for a big dinner.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
Great.
it's gonna be fun. I mean, I know they're busy and some have to work tomorrow, so I'm not gonna take them to club. Just nice dinner, we have fun, eat, drink a little bit.
A little bit. Just a little.
Yeah.
Everyone's still working.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah.